Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Google Ads Customer Match. To get started, open Google Ads and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Customer Match is a feature that lets you use your existing customer data to reach people more effectively across Google's advertising platforms. So this setup is an important part of audience targeting. Once you're inside Google Ads, look for the Tools section and click on it. This is where Google groups many of the account's planning, measurement, and audience-related features. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Google Ads sometimes updates its interface, but the general navigation is usually very similar. From the Tools area, select Audience Manager. This is the section where you can create, organize, and manage audience lists for your campaigns. You'll use it to build a customer list that can later support your customer match targeting. When Audience Manager opens, click the plus icon to create a new audience. This button is typically used whenever you want to add a new list or segment, so it's the starting point for creating your customer match audience. After that, choose Customer List. This tells Google Ads that you want to build an audience based on customer information you already have. Usually, this is data collected directly from your customers, such as information they've shared with your business in a compliant and permission-based way. Next, click Skip this step and set up a data source later. This option is useful if you want to move forward without completing the data source setup immediately. It allows you to continue the process first and handle the source details afterward. Then click Continue. This will take you to the next part of the setup flow and prepare the customer list for configuration. At this point, follow the procedure shown on your screen. Google Ads may ask for specific list details, settings, or upload-related information depending on your account, setup, and eligibility. Take your time here and review each field carefully so the audience is configured the way you want. It's a good idea to make sure your customer data is formatted correctly and that it meets Google's requirements before moving ahead, since that can help avoid processing issues later. Once you've completed the on-screen setup, click Save and Continue. This finalizes the audience creation process and moves you forward so your customer list can be processed and prepared for use in your campaigns. That's it. You've now gone through the basic process of setting up Google Ads Customer Match. After your list is reviewed and populated, you'll be able to use it as part of your audience targeting strategy inside Google Ads.